Welcome to JH. You've probably heard of Aziclear serum by now, unless you've been living under a rock or just have naturally perfect skin, in which case, why are you even here? It's been getting a massive amount of attention lately for supposedly lightening dark spots, fading acne scars, and evening out skin tones. But let's be real, with every second skincare product claiming to turn you into a porcelain doll, it's only natural to wonder if this is actually legit or just another overhyped bottle of expensive water. Stick around until the end, because I've got all the details you need before you go slathering this on your face. So, why is everyone obsessed with Azac? We took a dive into the wild world of Amazon reviews, and surprisingly, people aren't just complaining about shipping delays. Many users are reporting visible improvements in just a few days. Acne scars are fading, skin is looking brighter, and even those stubborn sunburn marks are finally packing their bags. Some are even calling it the best azelaic acid-based serum they've ever tried. It's almost suspicious how well it's working for them, isn't it? Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users mentioned it feels a bit intense on the skin, particularly for the sensitive types. A few people suggest using it every other day unless you enjoy the feeling of a mild chemical spiciness. It's also a bit pricey, but apparently, clear skin is the new luxury tax we all have to pay. One big plus is that it's available on Amazon, which means you can read verified reviews from people who actually bought it, rather than just the brand's marketing team. Another win is the transparency. The brand actually lists their ingredients. Shocking, I know. It's packed with azelaic acid, resorcinol, ferulic acid, and hyaluronic acid, plus some soothing stuff like aloe vera and calendula to keep your face from stage diving into irritation. Knowing exactly what's in the bottle is a nice change of pace from those mystery blend brands that expect us to just hope for the best and pray we don't wake up looking like a tomato. They've also kept the instructions simple enough for even the most skincare challenged among us. Just cleanse, pat dry, and apply 2 to 4 drops to your forehead, cheeks, chin, and neck. Blend it in, and you're done. It's literally easier than deciding what to watch on Netflix. After looking at the reviews, the ingredient list, and the general hype, is Aziclear serum the real deal? All signs point to yes. It's a high-quality, effective serum that actually delivers, even if it is a little aggressive on the wallet. If you're tired of your acne scars overstaying their welcome, this might be worth the investment. Thanks for watching till the end. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews that won't sugarcoat the truth.